Para po sa mga hindi nakakilala po sa akin, my name is Kian Banta. I'm a registered nurse from Baguio City. If there are two things that I would share to you, ladies and gentlemen, tonight that I've learned doing this business, one is, if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Kung hindi po natin kailangan mag-dwell sa ganung situation po all the time, but rather, we should bank on the opportunity given to us every day. Kumbaga, we don't have to live from the past, but rather we have to live day in and day out. This, 2015 gave me a new chance to grow, not only as a business person, but as a brother, as a son, as a grandson, and especially as a new father. The second thing that I learned, don't expect. And I didn't really expect to be in the top 50. I just did what I had to do. One of our members approached me and told me, Coach Lian, you're part of the top 50 and you're number 26. Thank you very much. Ang simpleng goal ko lang po talaga is, ito lang po, isa po sa simpleng goal ko po makasama ko po yung, makausap ko po yung mga top 50 tsaka top earners po ng ating company. And I'm very thankful for the business that we have right now, because this business not only gave me the opportunity to help my family, but also dito ko po talaga nakuha yung essence rin po of helping other people. And thank you, Press, for helping us, molding us to become entrepreneurs, not only earning money, but also helping a lot of people because of this business. So with that po, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po.